Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video we will create a program using JavaScript, HTML and CSS that will ask the user to give a number, and then our program will determine and check whether the given number is a prime number or not. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here prime number checker in JavaScript, written by yours truly, Pomperada, IT MIT. Give a number. So let's say we give 9, and then we click the submit button. 9 is a prime number. When we click the receipt, the text box will be emptied, and then the focus of our cursor will go back. So let's say 12. Click the submit button. 12 is not a prime number. Click the receipt button, it will empty. Okay, so let us go with the code. Okay, so we will have a walkthrough of the content. So we have here the HTML, we have here the head, title, prime number checker in JavaScript. We have here the CSS style, and then we have here the body, and then the main, header 1, header 2 block, label, input, button block, btn, and then different values and characteristic, receipt, average, hide, and then style. Okay, so here we have here the main class container, header 1, prime number checker in JavaScript, header 2, Pomperada, IT MIT, and then we have here a form calc, class division class block. We are asking the user to give a number, and then we have the maximum is 100, minimum of 1. ID val underscore num, autofocus. It means that it will require the user to give a number, and then the cursor, and then btn block, submit, and then the receipt, and then we have plus display result, hide, and then we close our form script. Documents query selector sharp form calc on submit a, prevent default, let I equals 0, ch key 0, and then this one for the selector will display the result. Our document get element id val underscore num, this one for input value, and then num underscore val equals 0, num underscore val parse int array value, because normally the value is still in string, so we have to convert into an integer using a for loop statement here. For I less than num underscore val, increment begin if num underscore val percent or modulus 2 equals 0, meaning it is no remainder, chk plus plus break. If chk equals 0, the given number is a prime. If it is true, else it is not a prime number. Display class list, remove hide, display inner HTML, a header 1, results, close the tag, header 1, close. We close our JavaScript script here, body and HTML. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, so let us go back to our program. Okay, so give a number, let's say 19, submit. 19 is a prime number. Click receipt. 20, submit. 20 is not a prime number. Let's say we have 43. 43 is a prime number. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create prime number checker in JavaScript programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.